I used to be a broke teenager, but now I'm rich, all because I started launching meme coins. Make sure to keep watching because I'm going to show you exactly how to launch your own coins and make some money. Now, most of you guys might have lost a lot of money trading meme coins, and that's because every single time you buy inside a meme coin, it just gets rug pulled, like this coin for example. Now, I personally switched from being a trader to becoming a meme coin launcher because all I have to do is create the coin, wait for buyers to buy inside my own coin, and when the market cap and the volume is really high, I simply just remove the liquidity and I get away with thousands. And the reason why launching meme coins is way better and way more profitable than trading meme coins is because by trading meme coins, if you buy here, 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 and here, you could lose your money at any given moment by the creator of the coin. But if you launch your own coins, okay, all you have to do is launch it and then wait for buyers, and then you're making money without losing anything. And also, it's fully repeatable, so you can repeat this process unlimited times until you make a shit ton of money. And I'm actually making this video because I've already made all my money, so now it's time to pass it on to you guys. So that's exactly why I'm gonna teach you exactly how to launch your own coin, right, and then make some money all live on camera. So make sure you keep watching. But before we get started, I just want to be clear that this video is for educational purposes only, so please don't copy me. Cap you can. But anyways, now the first step to launching your own coins is to actually create it, right? Now I like to use a website that's called token.Fun. Yeah, because on this website you can launch and create your own coins without having any coding skills, right? And the best thing about what this website has is that all the coins launched through this website are all going to be launched on the Radium DEX, which is way better than Pump.Fun. Because if you launch your coins on the Radium DEX, well, basically your coin will be immediately graduated right here and it's gonna reach way more eyeballs. But on the other side, if you launch your coins on Pump.Fun, well, it has to build its way up from newly created and it has to go through a migration phase for it to graduate directly here. So the point I'm trying to make is that you have to be using create tokens.fun to launch your coins. But anyways, there's two ways to go about making a coin. The first option is to actually make it from scratch. So you would find a good narrative like a viral meme, some type of news. For example, Elon Musk and Trump are beefing, or like Los Angeles, there's a bunch of stuff going on over there, right? Or just a viral tweet. And the second way to launch a coin is actually my favorite one because I'm personally printing thousands of dollars off doing this, and it's actually by copying coins on Pump.Fun that are already working. The concept is pretty simple. We just steal coins that are pumping and trending on Pump.Fun and we list them back on the Radium DEX by copying them on create tokens.fun, and we make a shit ton of money because all these coins, they're all proven to get buyers, they all have a good narrative, and they're just proven concepts, okay? But anyways, I'm gonna stop yapping and I'm gonna head straight to the point, okay? We're gonna make our first meme coin and make some money. So first of all, connect your wallet to the website. It's completely safe. Connect. And then we're gonna try to find a good coin. Now I'm gonna refresh the list right here because they're a bit outdated. Okay, we have new coins. Oh, this coin just caught my attention, the glitch coin. I last buy 1 second ago, which means that it's active and real. 200 replies and a $33,000 market cap. So I'm gonna create coin. Then okay, a warning will pop up. It's completely safe, just proceed anyway and continue. Boom, boom, boom. And then your coin should be created shortly. Boom. As you can see, if I click on view on source scan, boom, it's created on the blockchain and it is completely legit. Okay, this website actually works. It's the only website on YouTube that actually works. So copy here and click on create liquidity pool, and now it's time to make your coin tradable on the blockchain. Okay, so first of all, select your coin. As you can see, I've created a bunch of coins because this is what I do for a living. Here is select your Solana binds. Amount token A, click on 90% to put 900 million coins in the pool, and for the amount token B, this is actually the amount of liquidity that you're buying in from your own wallet. Since you will be the first buyer inside your own coin, you are not losing this money. It will come back inside your wallet till the end. Okay, so I'm going to put 0.5 SOL. The minimum is 0.3 SOL. Okay, but you're not losing this money. It is still in your possession. And now it's time to create the pool. So create pool. Okay, obviously, boom, it popped up, confirm, and then click on refresh. And boom, it popped up. As you can see, oh my god, I'm almost $100 in profit right off the rip. View on Photon. And now your coin is live. Oh, let's go. Let me go on the lower time frame real quick. Oh my god, it's already pumping a lot. Let's go, pump, pump, pump. Yo, this coin is so volatile, bro. Oh my god. Bro, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I don't have it all day. I think if it goes a bit higher, I am gonna remove the liquidity, bro. Come on. Oh! Come on, come on, come on. Bro, that was literally the perfect time to remove the liquidity, bro. What am I doing? Okay, you know what? Fuck it. To remove the liquidity, come back to token.Learn, click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity. I could still make a couple $100, bro. Fuck it. And then confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you pump and dump a coin and make a shit ton of money off launching meme coins. And if I open my Phantom wallet right here to see exactly how much I made in 3, 2, 1... $550, so I made $500 off just one meme coin launch. Obviously I could have made more, but it's alright. Create token.Fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description. And if you want to enter the one soul giveaway, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe, and yeah, bye.